Jeff, they really just wanted to go home. They felt like they had done their civic duty and they were done with it. None of the jurors agreed to speak with to talk to the foreman. Very quickly, I asked him, how difficult was this in the deliberation room? He just said, very difficult. These jurors went through every piece of evidence. The prosecution said they spoke with the jurors and they said they had all agreed pretty early on that this was going to be a guilty verdict on that malice murder charge, but they wanted to make sure that they hadn't overlooked anything. They wanted to make sure they went through every piece of evidence diligently. I spoke with a legal expert who says that's because this case was really emotional for these jurors.
It goes to the fact that jurors react with passion. They certainly listened to the law, and there were a lot of witnesses which warranted such a verdict, but they wanted to find him guilty of all counts.
And some of this evidence was very difficult to look at. One of the days last week, we actually saw one of the jurors crying as she left the jury room. So it was a difficult decision. They took their time on it, 5 days of deliberations, but in the end, they returned all 8 counts guilty.
Caitlin Ross, along with Duffy Dixon in Glynn County and Brunswick. Our coverage of the hot car death murder trial continues.